go! I found a restaurant that everyone is talking about.
Really? Let's go before it gets crowded.
Race you to the entrance.
You're already cheating.
Wow, this place smells amazing.
I want to order everything.
Welcome. Here's today's special menu.
The cheesy pasta looks delicious.
And the giant burger is calling my name.
Let's share both dishes.
Great idea. More food, less regret.
Would you like fresh lemonade too?
Yes, 2 glasses, please.
I can't wait another minute.
Your order is ready. Enjoy. This is the creamiest pasta I've ever tasted.
And this burger is absolutely incredible.
We definitely picked the right restaurant.
Next weekend, dessert challenge?
Deal. But this time, I'm ordering the biggest cake.